Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is our first official Tidy Tuesday of 2019 and we're excited to come to you with a new video. So if you're new around here, my name's Shakema. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? And I came up with this concept. I don't know that I invented it or anything. I'm just saying I came up with this concept for myself around my house about a couple months ago, and it was called a Tidy Tuesday. And what that means for me is I take about 30 minutes to pick one specific spot in my house and I just tidy that area. It's not a full-on deep clean. It's not a take everything out of the space. It's just not a deep clean. It is just a small tidying of that space. A lot of times what I have found is when my space is untidy, I tend to feel a little bit of anxiety, which I don't struggle with as a general rule, but there are times when I'm very busy throughout the year. There are times when I'm not doing much, but those times when I tend to be doing a whole lot and then I just feel like anxious. And so I just started doing Tuesdays. I probably need to do a different day of the week because Tuesdays I'm actually, we don't get home too extremely late. So anyway, I'm still going to leave them on Tuesdays. They seem to go over very well with everybody. And this week we're in our living room. We're actually going to tackle a couple of things in the living room as well as my desk. So I have this small armoire. It's an armoire that has doors on it. And then here it has a fold-out desk. It's just Mama, honey. It has a fold-out desk. But this space up here and here, where I have some books, we're going to be tidying that area, not the bottom half. That's pretty tidy. I did some stuff in there last night. But we're going to be working on our bookshelves. And a couple of years ago, I actually went in and color coordinated my bookshelves right after I saw Ropes and Design. Rebecca from Ropes and Design, she had color coordinated her books for the Christmas season. And it just helped with the scheme she was going for. So I am going to go in and recolor coordinate. Some of the books have gotten misplaced and we've moved things for the holiday season and we've just kind of shoved books back in here. And they really are, see, we've kind of put some books in here laying down when they should be standing up. So we're just going to go back in and fix some of these. We did have some books laying out in our decor, which we have taken up and they've had to go back up there. So we're going to pull some of those back out to make more space, and prayerfully it's going to just make those bookshelves not look so overfull. Here's a second bookshelf. Here's the second bookshelf, and that looks a little overfull to me as well. And you can see where some of the colors have not stayed together. So we're going to work on that. My teapot is ready. I am having a little bit of a nausea feeling this morning, so I'm gonna have tea. Thank you so much. And the kids and I are going to get ready to work on these bookshelves and the shelves in my office. have just tidied up our bookshelves. We don't have any more books just laying on top of any of the shelves. And we've tried to color coordinate as best we could. We're probably going to have to go back and do it again, simply because we probably need to move all of the brown and orange books over here. But that wasn't the task for today. Today's task was just to get everything straightened up and tidied. So we've got some purple and blues up here, but I also have blues on the other shelf. So once we get to our purging, our a bowl full of lemons for the year. Let me turn this light off because I think it's just not the best light for us. There we go. Once we do our bowl full of lemons purge, we will actually take all the books off and then just put them more in order. But for the most part, this is what it has turned out to look like on that side. And then on this side, cut that one out as well. We have at least all of the books no longer laying on each other. And then we're good that way. This is still a little bit of Christmas. We've got to find their owners. Still haven't met with my sister and my best friend yet because my sister's been sick. And her work schedule is really different. And then over here in Mom's desk, we just did the red and the pinks. And I've got a couple of yellow and green file folders here. But at Walmart, I saw these on sale for $1.96 for 6 of them. So I'm going to change those out. And I'm actually still working on a really big project that shortly I'm hoping to be able to share with you guys. And I'm going to get some of these folders for that project as well. So I'm trying to go with a pink and a flower motif for that. But again, I'm just waiting to get the final confirmation that this is a go, and then I will be sharing with you some very exciting things that are coming along for 2019. But anyway, that is it. Tidy Tuesday is very quick. I mean, it's as quick as you want to make it. Get your family together, do it yourself, 30 minutes at max in a space. My kids don't always love doing Tidy Tuesdays, but they like the benefit of having things squared away so that we're not cleaning all the time. So I hope that you're motivated to pick an area in your home. And this is a high traffic area for us. So we definitely want to make sure that it looks really nice. I can always close the cabinet doors on this armoire, but the bookshelves are exposed. So we just want to make sure that everything looked nice for if people decide to come over. So there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel for another Tidy Tuesday video. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.